Do you know that the moment you see this maths video for the first time, it can be confusing until we try it and we see how easy it is. So let's now start with the solution. So we are asked to solve 3 to the power of k plus 3 to the power of k is equals to 30. So how do we get it? So don't forget to watch it up to the last. So the first thing is that you are going to factorize 3 to the power of k plus 3 to the power of k. So here now we shall make our new equation, that is 3 to the power of k into bracket 1 plus 1 is equals to 30. So let's work out the bracket. So 1 plus 1 is 2 is equals to 30. So there is need for us to work out the bracket fully. So that is to mean that now we shall have to divide both sides by 2 by 2. So 2 by 2 shall cancel. So 3 to the power of k is equals to, so 2 here once, 2 into 30, 15. So is equals to 15. So this solution still hasn't given us the value for k. So what do we do next? Let's change everything to the log. So let's now introduce the log from both sides. So in this case now we shall now have the log of 3 to the power of k is equals to the log of 15. So assuming that we have the log of x to the power of y, this one can be solved as y the log of x. So to mean that the log of 3 to the power of k, we can change it into this form of y log x. That now shall be k, the log of 3, is equals to the log of 15. So therefore now we shall now divide both sides by the log 3, then also this side by the log of 3. Log 3 and log 3 cancels. So now we shall now remain with k. So now our k shall be now the log of 15 all over the log of 3. So don't stop at this end. We need to factorize everything. So k is equals to, so the log of 15 can also be written as the log of 3 multiplied by 5. Reason 3 multiplied by 5 is 15. Then all over the log of 3. So when you have something like the log of a multiplied by b, this one can also be written as the log of a plus the log of b. So to mean that the log of 3 multiplied by 5, we can still have it as k is equals to the log of 3 plus the log of 5 all over the log of 3. So next we shall say that, so next now we shall now have to divide both sides by the log of 3. So k is equals to log 3 all over the log of 3, then plus the log of 5 all over the log of 3. So now k is equals to, so let's now cancel the ones that shall cancel. So here now log 3 by log 3 is 1, then plus the log of 5 all over the log of 3. So according to the law of logarithm, when we have the log a all over the log of b, so this one we can write it as log a to the base of b. So here now we shall now have log a to the base of b. So taking this into consideration, our final answer for k is 1 plus the log of 5 to the base of 3. So this one now cancel, or this one is our final solution for this maths problem. But some might be thinking, how? So let's now confirm if this answer is really true. So here was our maths problem initially, when now we had 3 to the power of k plus 3 to the power of k is equals to 30. So instead of writing k, now we write the number that we've got, that is 3 to the power of 1 plus the log of 5 to the base of 3. Then again plus 3 to the power of 1 plus the log of 5 to the base of 3 is equals to 30. So when we now open it, we shall now have 3 to the power of 1. The plus shall change to multiplication, that is 3 to the power of the log of 5 to the base of 3. Then plus this sign here, 3 to the power of 1, then the plus sign shall change to multiplication, that is 3 to the power of the log of 5 to the base of 3 is equals to 30. So here we go. 3 to the power of 1 is 3 multiplied by, so the log to the base of 3 shall cancel this 3, so now shall remain with 5. Then plus 3 to the power of 1 is 3, so same on this other side, the log 3 to the base of 3 shall cancel, now we shall remain with 3, which is equals to 30. So 3 multiplied by 5 is 15, then plus 15 is equals to 30. So 15 plus 15 is 30, so now we shall now have our 30 is equals to 30. So which means we are correct when we conclude by saying that our value for k is equals to 1 plus the log of 5 to the base of 3. So if you really loved how we've worked out this maths problem, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you and see you in our next video.